Hey guys, welcome back to video 11 on our camping theme. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 sensory center ideas that I have that you could put in your classroom or you could do at home. Let's go. Welcome back to video 11 on our camping theme. In this video, it's all about the sensory center. The first idea I have is to create a dirt sensory tub. This can get a little bit messy, but it's fun because you're going to put dirt, sticks, and leaves into the sensory tub. If you could find fake worms or fake bugs to put in there as well, that would be a lot of fun. My second sensory idea is a lake or pond sensory tub. So for this one, you're going to have your normal water table, and then you will add fish and boats to this water tub. Those are 2 of my ideas that you could use for your sensory table when you're talking about a camping theme. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time for our very last video on camping. Bye.